In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize and manage your projects using Kanban boards and Agile templates. We'll explore how to manage sprints, tasks, and backlogs to streamline your project workflow and enhance team collaboration. Let's get started on this journey to better project management, where clarity and organization reign supreme. First, let's dive into Kanban boards, an integral tool for visualizing your work process. Imagine your current project tasks as sticky notes on a board which are categorized into various columns such as to do, in progress, and done. This visual approach helps you see the current status of different tasks at a glance, allowing for quick decision-making and identification of bottlenecks. To set up your Kanban board, begin by listing all the tasks that need to be accomplished. It helps to be as detailed as possible at this stage so nothing is overlooked. Once you have your task list, categorize each one according to its current status. This forms the backbone of your board, providing a comprehensive view of what needs attention. Now let's turn our focus to Agile templates, which are structured formats that help you plan, track, and manage different aspects of your Agile projects. With Agile templates, you maintain flexibility and adaptability, crucial components in modern project management. These templates assist in organizing your tasks and sprints effectively, offering a standardized approach that your team can rely on. Incorporating an Agile template typically involves breaking down your project into smaller, manageable parts. These are often distributed across sprints, allowing your team to complete work incrementally and iteratively. This approach not only reduces risk but also enhances productivity and team morale. As your board and templates come to life, you'll need to focus on managing sprints. Sprints are short, iterative cycles within your project during which a specific set of tasks are aimed to be completed. To manage these efficiently, estimate the amount of work your team can realistically achieve in a designated time frame, usually spans of 1-4 weeks. It's vital to hold regular sprint reviews and retrospectives. These gatherings ensure that everyone is aligned and can offer insights for future improvements, making your process fluid and responsive to change. Navigating backlogs is another essential element. Backlogs are essentially prioritized lists of tasks or features awaiting completion. Think of the backlog as a reservoir of tasks that feed your sprints. Good backlog management combines strategic prioritization with continuous refinement. A well-maintained backlog aligns with the overall project goals and adapts swiftly as those goals evolve, keeping your project relevant and actionable. In refining this Agile workflow, communication with your team becomes central. Regular check-ins and updates reinforce collaboration and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Once all is in place, your Kanban board becomes the dynamic hub of your workflow, providing transparency and direction for every team member. And there you have it. By employing Kanban boards and Agile templates, managing sprints, tasks, and backlogs not only becomes intuitive but also enhances your team's effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.